KISW.
Here I am, hanging out with some cool cars, cool people. Of course, brought Big Brother out. The lovely purple motor. Or engine for those of you anally at home. Yeah, that's the new power plant. You know what else is cool? As I sit here in my spot, look right across the way. What do we have? Yes, that's right. The Carousel Red GTO Judge. And notice the huge crowd of people around it. You can't even see the thing. Oh, look at this. 1969. Hideaways. This one is a convertible, which is awesome. Look at this interior. What does that make you think? Sex drive? Absolutely. Someday soon, this will be mine. Dude, a 1972 Roadrunner. Beep, beep. Ever seen a Superbird before? Pretty freaking cool.
It's trying to.
Had to make a pit stop. Men's room ale, everybody. Men's room ale. It's the old car here, 1907. Where were you in 1907? Me? I was at the bar drinking. Crazy though, huh? See these lights? Yeah, they're gas lamps. They didn't have light bulbs. It's not orange. There's no 01 on the door. It's still pretty damn cool. Even got the toy to match. Hey Steve, it's a V-dub thing, buddy. Just for you.
Oh, it's fine. Go ahead.
As long as somebody's noticing somebody.
Well, sometimes at a car show you never know what you're going to find. Look what I found. A better than average drummer, Matt Cameron, right here. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Look at this. He brought a rig down. It's very cool. It's a 1950 Lincoln, right?
Lincoln, yeah.
With a secret Chevy under the hood. And if you notice right in there, go zoom in on that dash. You know, sometimes a car isn't just a car. Sometimes it's a boat. Hey, sometimes you gotta go topless. I have no idea.
The BJ Shea Morning Experience on 99.9 KISW.